Hello, so today I'll be reviewing Amul's Tropical Orange Dark Chocolate, and I'm also wearing an orange top. Coincidentally, no, not coincidentally, actually, it is intentional to go with the theme. So let's start with the review. So, this tropical orange flavor is one of their premium dark chocolate varieties. So, it is a 55% dark chocolate. It is not mentioned on the package anywhere how much dark this chocolate is, but I checked on the website and it is 55%. I do prefer if the package explicitly mentions the percentage of the dark chocolate, so it becomes easier to shop chocolates. So right now it becomes little confusing. Anyways, also I wanted to show that the branding of this package is very similar to one of their classic dark chocolates, which is 55%. So the only difference in this chocolate is the orange peel. Also they have depicted in their package with an orange peel. Also in the description they have mentioned that the orange extracts are from Netherlands. So let's see how that tastes. So let's open this chocolate and see how it tastes. So this is how it is looking, and it is looking little odd. So what I did, I stopped the video and I checked online and I checked couple of reviews and I saw the color was something like this, but then there were other videos also where the color was normal in the sense this dark color. So I'm guessing this is because of some unstable storage conditions. They also have mentioned, they also mentioned this thing in their package that that temperature and humidity shocks can cause a white layer without affecting quality of the product for consumption. So I'm trusting that statement and I'm going ahead and I will be tasting this and let's see how it is. So there was not a great snap sound. Usually dark chocolates have a nice tuck type of snap sound. So this did not have it. There is some kind of chunks in it. So this is probably the orange peels. So let us taste one. So about the orange flavor is not too strong and it is not too subtle also. So it is at a medium level, which I liked. And regarding the texture, I feel this chocolate was not stored properly, so reviewing the texture could be a little tough. But what I feel, since I saw a couple of videos in which the color was looking like this only, and there were a couple of videos where the color was normal dark chocolate color, I feel that this particular chocolate might be prone to turning into this color easily. So maybe for my own consumption I might risk buying this once again, but in case if I want to gift someone, then I might choose something else. So for the orange flavor they have actually used orange peels, which is mentioned in the ingredients section, 13%. The MRP is 125 rupees for 150 grams. So another question is whether it is a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So in my opinion, I think it is a thumbs down from my side. Though the orange flavor was good, but the chocolate was little questionable. So if suppose there can be two things, right? So either this is its original quality. So either this is its original quality or this must have got affected because of some storage issues. But they have mentioned in their package that it can cause white layer but without affecting quality of the product for consumption. but it looks like the quality has got little affected because I did not like the texture of this chocolate. So either this is its original color and texture, or it has got affected by the storage temperature or something like that. So in both the cases, it will be a thumbs down from my side. I checked the expiry also, it has not expired. It expires in 2022. I might try buying this from a different shop and see whether the color and texture is proper or not. But for now, it is a thumbs down from my side. So that's the review for this chocolate. I hope you like this review. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. And yes, if you have bought this chocolate and had a better experience, then do comment on this video. I would like to know that. So that's all. Bye bye.